Wiesmann, a German boutique sports car manufacturer, gained fame for its distinctive and handcrafted luxury sports cars. Founded in the 1980s by brothers Martin and Friedhelm Wiesmann, the company focused on producing retro-styled, high-performance automobiles that combined classic design with modern technology. Wiesmann cars stood out for their bespoke craftsmanship, attention to detail, and exclusivity. Each car was custom-built to the buyer's specifications, offering a unique driving experience. The company's commitment to quality and individuality attracted a niche market of enthusiasts who appreciated the fusion of classic aesthetics with contemporary performance. Despite its relatively small production volume compared to larger automakers, Wiesmann gained recognition and acclaim within the automotive community for its dedication to traditional craftsmanship and innovative design. The brand's limited production runs and exclusivity further contributed to its allure among collectors and aficionados of luxury sports cars.